Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So today we are going to talk about images with GGPlot. And if you want to import some image into your plot, you need additional package. So please install and import this package. Library, ggimage. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to provide our data frame into our ggplot function. Then I'm going to provide aesthetics of X and Y, and I'm going to plot one line with GEOM line. And now I'm going to show you an image of thumbnail for one of my episodes, and we are going to import that image into our plot. Let me show you how to do that. But keep in mind, if you add geometry image after GEOM line, you will have image overwriting the rest of content. So if we want to use that image for our background, first we are going to provide geometry image. So GEOM image. And then we are going to draw our line with GEOM line. So in here I'm going to provide aesthetics of image. And I'm going to add path to our image. It's RGPG, and for X and Y I'm going to set 0 like this. And now I'm going to add two more elements, size, let's say 1, and one more by width. So if I run our code, this is what we are going to get. So what all of this actually means? This X and Y means that I'm going to have only one image with fixed position. And the coordinates of X and Y are actually center of our image. Image path, it's just a source for our data. And then size, what this means and what means this by. That means if we provide 1 as argument for size, width of our image is going to be equal to width of our plot. If instead of width we provide height, that means that height of our plot is going to be equals to height of our image. And now in order to center this image, I'm going to move our coordinates X to 11 and Y to 10. I'm going to run this code again. So if now I change this size to 0,5, that means that this image is going to hold position of center of our screen, but both width and height are going to be half of present value. And what if, for example, I remove this GEOM line like this, and instead of fixed position I add X for X and Y for Y. We are going to get multiple images, and central points of those images are going to be determined by data frame. So now I'm going to change this value to 0,1 and I'm going to run this code. Voila! So guys, I truly hope that you have learned something interesting, so please like, subscribe and see ya!